I needed a laugh today. Just look what the foreign press is saying about Biden. It's so funny, man. It really isn't funny. I just don't understand it. I don't get this. Check this out. Tell me what you think. I just needed a laugh today. I'm going to just share this with my subscribers.
What in God's name is Joe Biden trying to say?
Know the little expression, time is money. As one computer said, if you're on the train and they say Portal Bridge, you know you better make other plans.
Let's just not ignore that. Let's go over it. As one computer said, if you're on the train and they say Portal Bridge, you know you better make other plans. I've got nothing. Okay, let's leave that to one side and see what else the president said this week.
In fact, we're taking a page from Terry's book when he was governor and when he'd be governor next time. We're emerging from this pandemic. We want to expand pre-K for 3- and 4-year-olds, millions of pre-K students.
This man needs a retirement home and a warm bowl of soup, not access to the nuclear codes.
And I'm going to leave you with this one right here when he was talking to the CEOs about Build Back Better. Hey, I'm sorry for laughing like this, but check this out. This is what he said to the CEOs here.
Mary, I'm always talking about Corvettes. I don't want to make Ford or anybody else upset. But I might point out, when I went to Dearborn, driving that, was up there. I don't know, man. I think the press thought I was crazy. I enjoyed it so much going up and your new EV factory in. Okay, I'm looking for a job, Mary. But anyway, all kidding aside, I'd like to,
This is a disaster.